Hello and welcome. In this session, you'll learn how to identify and investigate a business problem or opportunity that could benefit from a computing solution. We'll explore how technology can solve inefficiencies and help businesses seize new opportunities. This unit aims to empower learners to solve business problems using computing tools. It's designed for learners from any pathway. The project should align with their study pathway. It should utilize knowledge and skills from diploma programs. The goal is to demonstrate practical computing applications. In today's business landscape, computing solutions are crucial for overcoming challenges. Identifying a business problem that benefits from technology is vital. Investigating the potential impact of a computing solution is key. The focus is on feasibility and implementation. This approach ensures effective problem solving. Many retail businesses face inefficient inventory management. This issue leads to overstocking and stockouts. It affects operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. The implications include increased costs and lost sales. Addressing this problem is crucial for business success. Understanding inventory management is essential. Inefficiencies arise from lack of real-time data and manual tracking. Overstocking results in higher costs and wastage. Stockouts lead to lost sales and unhappy customers. Accurate data is crucial for effective management. Manual tracking systems are error-prone and time-consuming. Lack of real-time data hinders informed decisions. Poor demand forecasting leads to overstocking or stockouts. Identifying these root causes is vital. Addressing them can improve inventory management. Correct. Inefficient inventory management leads to financial losses. Manual processes reduce productivity. Stockouts damage customer trust and loyalty. Addressing these issues is crucial for business success. Implementing solutions can mitigate these impacts. An advanced inventory management system can solve these inefficiencies. It uses technologies like barcode scanning and real-time analytics. This system automates and optimizes inventory processes. It addresses the root causes identified. Implementing such a solution is beneficial. Real-time tracking reduces discrepancies. Automated reordering prevents stockouts. Demand forecasting improves inventory accuracy. Integration capabilities enhance overall efficiency. These features make IMS a powerful solution. IMS reduces holding costs by optimizing inventory levels. It increases sales by minimizing stockouts. Automation enhances efficiency and frees up staff. Accurate data supports better decision-making. These benefits make IMS a viable solution. Modern IMS solutions are adaptable and customizable. The initial investment is outweighed by long-term benefits. Training is required for implementation. User-friendly interfaces facilitate a smooth transition. IMS is technically, financially, and operationally feasible. In e-commerce, data analysis is crucial for decision-making. Many SMEs struggle with effective data analysis. This leads to inadequate insights and poor decisions. Companies fall behind without data-driven strategies. Addressing this problem is vital for competitiveness. The problem affects the entire data lifecycle. It includes data collection, storage, and analysis. Poor insights impact sales, marketing, and inventory. Customer experience suffers without understanding preferences. Strategic planning is hampered by inadequate data analysis. Addressing data issues involves various stakeholders. Senior management seeks better decision-making. Analysts need enhanced tools for insights. IT supports integration and maintenance. Marketing and sales teams benefit from improved strategies. An advanced data platform integrates multiple sources. It offers robust analytical tools and visualization. Customizable dashboards cater to stakeholder needs. Real-time processing ensures timely decisions. A user-friendly interface aids non-technical users. Improved decision-making enhances business strategies. Efficiency increases with streamlined data processes. Competitive advantage is gained through better insights. Customer experience is enhanced with personalized offers. These benefits justify the platform's implementation. Inefficient inventory management and data analysis are significant business problems. Implementing computing solutions like IMS and data platforms is vital. These solutions enhance efficiency, decision-making, and competitiveness. In conclusion, effective data visualizations are a seamless blend of art and science. By applying core principles and a structured design process, you can transform complex data into clear, compelling insights. Real-world examples and best practices provide guidance to create visualizations that not only inform, but also engage and resonate with your audience. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out on WhatsApp at 07484361688. We look forward to seeing you again at the next session. Thank you!